Welcome back to Western New York Living. Now I'm going to age myself and ask how many of you remember the TV show The Waltons and all the great meals they had as a family sitting around the table. Well, those times are long gone for many, and eating a meal today can mean taking out takeout food or something really quick, which can lead to weight gain because you're not really paying attention to what's going on. But healthy options can also be quick to prepare if you know how to do it. Here to explain from the IDU Weight Loss Center is our good friend Donna Herberger. Donna, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me.
All right, one of the things you do
for me to say.
One of the things you do teach your clients is how to eat healthy, which sounds simple, right? I'll just eat the right foods, but there is a I don't know, art form, if you want to call it, or a trick to it, if you will, to eat healthier?
To prepare, it's not so much what you eat, but how it's prepared is probably the most important thing. So if you want chicken wings, have them baked. Doesn't sound as exciting, but you can air fry them. You can use all the Frank's hot sauce you want, but don't eat the skin. If you're going to cook a chicken breast, grill it, bake it, broil it, air fry it. Don't bread it and deep fry it. So it's the breading and the deep frying. You want to go out for a buffalo fish fry? Get it broiled, not breaded and fried. So protein's important to preserve that lean tissue and muscle, but then preparing it properly is also key.
What are some healthy foods that you encourage folks to eat on your program and with the food you purchase at the locations that you have for them too?
Okay, so on our program, people eat the food that we supply for their breakfast, lunch, and a healthy snack. They eat 4 cups of vegetables, which is a lot of veggies, 2 at lunch, 2 at dinner. They can have a salad, greens at lunch and at dinner. We want them to drink a lot of water, at least 64 ounces a day, and their protein at dinner, fish, seafood, beef, poultry, pork, things like that.
All right, you know what? I know you have a cookbook and you want to show people how easy to do. You got up with Chef Steven Forman to show everybody how easy it is to make a recipe. So let's take a look at what Chef cooked up along with Donna.
Hi, we're at Artisan Kitchens Baths in Buffalo, New York with Chef Steven Forman, and today we're going to show you how to make this great chicken with garlic.
Yes, garlic and tomato and ginger.
And
go ahead.
Cauliflower rice, and it's healthy and delicious, and you can also add a side cucumber salad. So take it away.
All right, well, again, we're going to start with having our mise en place all together, things in place. We're going to start with some avocado oil, okay? Making sure that my pan is nice and hot. Oh yeah, it's nice and hot. Here we go. And then we're gonna roast our aromats, right? We'll get that rice nice roasty. We got some ginger in there and garlic in there. Oh yeah, I smell that already?
I do.
Amazing. Listen to that sound. Got some good sizzle going on. Some flavors being created. This is amazing. Now what we're gonna do is add our chicken. Again, we want that to sear really nicely. And there's a purpose behind searing it. We want to get some flavor. I don't want just bland chicken, but when we sear the chicken, that searing is creating a flavor profile to our chicken to help bring out the dish even more. So that's why we want to make sure our pan is hot and it's nice and searing. Look at that.
And that's why you put the spices in first.
Correct. So allowing the spices to get, their fragrance released. The heat is allowing that fragrance to be released. Adding some action. Oh yeah, look at that. See that? Look at that color.
Oh yeah.
That is called the Maillard reaction. For those that might know a little bit about food science, Maillard reaction is protein reacting to heat, and it's actually creating some flavor right now. All righty, you see that?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. Smell. Let's go.
How long have you been a chef?
Long time, over 30 years.
Wow.
So now we're gonna add our diced tomatoes. I actually took the seeds out. Oh yeah, oh smell that.
That's great.
Tell me that isn't amazing. We're gonna add our seasonings now. A little bit more seasoning, a little bit of salt, right? All right, we're almost finished here. All right, now we're gonna add a little bit of cilantro and our cauliflower rice.
Yep.
And after we saute that off, chicken stock, put a lid on it, and we're home stretch right now. Look at that. Look at all that amazing flavor.
So Chef, we did this super quick.
Yep.
You're a professional chef, but for the person at home, how long would this take them to prepare?
For the person at home, maybe 12 to 15 minutes.
Great.
As long as everything is pre-cut and prepped, that usually takes long, but 12 to 15 minutes, you're ready to eat at the table.
Healthy, fast food.
Healthy, very healthy.
Thank you.
Look at that.
I always try that flip. I can't get it the way Chef
know.
had it, right? I mean, that's the expertise there.
I can do that, but I can't do it with an omelet. It's a mess.
How do folks get started on the program?
Go to our website, idealyou.com, fill out a few forms, and try to attend an in-person or virtual open house. They're every Wednesday night, 6 p.m.
All right, and you'll get a cookbook and all the great things that come with it, along with coaching. Whatever your weight loss goals are, the Ideal You Weight Loss Center can help you successfully reach them, and most importantly, keep the weight off. They're your Healthy Rapid Weight Loss Center. They have 3 locations in our area. To find out more about their weight loss program, again, the website, idealyou.com. Register for that upcoming virtual or in-person open house.